In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ExpressVPN on multiple devices. One of the biggest advantages of an ExpressVPN subscription is that you can install the app on as many devices as you want. The only thing to keep in mind is the number of devices that can be actively connected at the same time, which depends on your plan. The good news is that you do not need separate accounts for your laptop, phone, tablet, or smart TV. Let's start with computers and laptops. On a computer, open your web browser and sign in to your ExpressVPN account on the official website. Once you are on the dashboard, copy the activation code shown there. This code lets you sign in securely without entering your main account password on every machine. Next, click the download button for your operating system, whether that is Windows, macOS, or Linux. When the installer finishes downloading, open it from your Downloads folder and run the setup. Follow the installation prompts until the app is fully installed. Then launch ExpressVPN, choose the option to sign in with an activation code, paste the code, and continue. For phones and tablets, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and install ExpressVPN. Then return to your ExpressVPN account dashboard on your computer. Find the option for setting up other devices, choose phone and tablet, and a QR code will appear on your screen. Open the ExpressVPN app on your phone, tap Sign In, and choose the QR code option. Scan the code from your computer screen to sign in quickly. If your device asks for permission to set up a VPN connection, tap Allow or OK. This is required so the app can encrypt your internet traffic properly. For streaming devices and smart TVs like Apple TV, Fire TV, or Android TV, open the device's app store, search for ExpressVPN, and install the official app. Launch it and select Sign In. Your TV will display an activation code. On a phone or computer browser, go to the ExpressVPN activation page, sign in if needed, enter the code shown on the TV, and submit it. The app on your TV should then refresh and complete the sign-in process. If you want to protect more devices at once, installing ExpressVPN on your router is the best workaround. First, make sure your router model is supported, or use the brand's dedicated router option. In your account dashboard, go to the router setup section, select your exact model, and download the firmware. Then open your router's local admin panel in a browser. Find the firmware upgrade section and upload the downloaded file. After the router restarts, connect to its Wi-Fi, open the router setup page, and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, enter your activation code and save the settings. Finally, test everything. Connect to a VPN server using the